It's a piece of cake to break a pretty cake. If the way is hasty, gotta use the cooking by the book. You know you can't be lazy, never use a messy recipe. The cake will end up crazy. Gotta do the cooking by the book, and then you'll have a cake. Hello my fidgets. Today we'll be doing a slime review. This slime came from the house of my dead great Toshko. Today we will be testing the slime for many of its capabilities. Number 1, we will test the poke. Number 2, we will test the grab test. And number 3, we will test the sledgehammer test. We will be first testing it out grab test. Ooh. Kind of reminds me of those slimes from Minecraft. How like sticky it is. I like my slime with a little bit of stick. This just falls right off, doesn't hold shape. And there's too many bubblies. Like, if it had more bubblies, we'd call her a soda. No. So let's see if we glop it up. I'll take the tool. A little bit of a surprise test that I threw in for my fidgets. Today we will be doing the grab test, but with my hands. So, I got my nice gloves on, and I just take the slime and grab it. Very easy to play with. I like the way it bends. We finished up that test. Now we will be moving on to the poke test.
They've been cleaned.
She forms quite nicely. So let's see if she grabs with the poking tool. Then, ha! Lick. Now I'll just put this on my drying tool. Nice and clean. See how nice that is? And next we will be doing the sledgehammer test. So I gotta poke the holes in the top to make sure I can breathe. And next, we just... Sometimes you gotta use brute force.
I'll help.
It's my job.
Fidget, you've gone everywhere but the bullseye.
No!
Yes!
So I think that about wraps it up for today. So I think we're done here.